Hello ladies and gents, Ro here and welcome to NOandROfilms. Today I'm going to continue our iMovie tutorials, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how I export and my export settings. Mainly we're going to be focusing on my export settings within iMovie, and it's the latest version of iMovie, iMovie 10.1.2. So let's go ahead and open up my tutorial project here, and I have some footage here. I have some really old footage, which is not the best quality. It's a 720p, I believe, and a 1080p image here as well. So first we're going to do this actual footage that we got, a clip. I'm going to drag it right into our project here, and we're going to go to the top right hand corner and hit export. And we're going to export as file, because then I can export it to wherever I want, meaning I can put it on my desktop, for example, and then from there I can move it wherever I want, maybe save it before I want to upload it somewhere else. So from here on, once you get to the export screen, which is right here, you'll notice that the default resolution is 720p. That's because my footage here is actually not the best quality, and it's going to be 720p. From here you can change the title of the video. Mine's going to be called tutorial, the description, the tags, the format, video and audio, because this video contains both video and audio. If it's audio only, for example, if it's a song, then I would suggest just doing audio only, meaning it will not have any picture. It will be just the audio. And then resolution is 720p. Quality, we're going to choose high. We're going to do medium, low, or best. You'll notice that if I choose high, you'll notice, keep an eye out right here for the 8.8 megabits. And then if I change to best pro resolution, it'll be 115 megabits, which is significantly large for a 12-second clip, which it says right here, this clip is 12 seconds. You can drag over it just like this, or just put your mouse over it. You'll see a little quick preview of your footage. We will not checkbox the add to theater, because I don't want to back it up or duplicate my project into the theater. And theater allows you basically to, if you use iCloud and you share a lot of items through iCloud, Theater will put your footage in iCloud, and then you can access it through all your other Apple devices that are connected to iCloud. And the compression, we're going to do faster, better quality. You can choose this. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, but I prefer it to be exported as fast as it can, and 720p or whatever quality it is able to be exported. Then you hit next from here, and then you name it again, and you choose it where you would like to save it as well. I'm not just yet going to save it. I'm actually going to go ahead and remove this. And if you go to the right hand side here, you'll notice, if you click the settings option, you'll notice that your project settings is 720p. Right here it will tell you. Now I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to go ahead and push in my image here and add it to my project. It will default it to 4 seconds since it's an image. I'm going to make it 2 seconds, and if I click the settings now, you'll notice that it's 1080p 60 frames per second. It doesn't really need to be 60 frames per second, but it just defaults it to that as well. And why this may be 1080p is because the image is actually, it's a higher resolution than my actual footage that I have here. And it's pretty obvious that this is higher resolution. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the export back to file, and instead of 720p, we're going to go 1080p because we want a much higher quality. And you'll notice the actual size of the file will increase as well. Instead of 720p, which makes sense because it is a larger file, better quality. And then you could do either better or faster quality. Everything else will honestly be the same, and you can export this just like this as well. And I hope my settings here, you guys are able to look at them and create your own project accordingly. And I hope I answered most of your guys' questions as well within this tutorial, showing you guys my export settings. Be sure to leave any questions in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and later.
So let my life be the proof